marks on it, but they were really smooth. They weren't deep. And they said, shoot half of this part. We want to anodize this and show the customer, because he brought one of the parts that had been anodized. I think it was from a competitor or something.
Oh, I can see this coming right now.
He said,
continue on, son.
he said, can you get this finish? And I said, absolutely. I said, let me put this abrasive in. Before that, you know, I was getting this like hammered with questions.
Yeah.
It was like I had 5 guys trying to attack me and see if they could find a weak link. And so I'm fighting these questions off, and finally the guy brings me apart and he said, well, shoot half of this. Well, I did the corner real quick, pulled it out, and he goes, oh my gosh, that was fast. And he said, wow, that looks amazing. He said, this is incredible. I said, wait till you dry it off and rinse it off. And he said, well, do the other half. And I pulled it out, and he said, well, that was only like 45 seconds to do all the whole part. I said, yeah. He said, look how consistent and smooth it is.
Yeah.
I said, this is a tiny machine.
Yeah.
You know, when you get to the bigger machines, it's even better. But, gosh, that's why I do this. That kind of experience right there. Because you can help those kind of people. So leaving today, we just flew into Virginia this morning to see a potential customer helping out with a surface finishing application. Now we're heading up to PA. We're going to go up and see Bill Slayball. Actually, we're going to shoot some testimonial footage with him. Been a big advocate of VHT for many years now, and really want to go out and promote his business and show off what he does. But making 2 stops in one day today, and we can do 3 or 4, but excited to get back to the office after we make our trip and get back to work.